Hi everyone, I will explain the recent updated OSCE skill station procedure, which is pre-operative check station, in simple and clear way so you can understand exactly what to do and how to pass. Let's see what is the pre-operative check station. The pre-operative check station is where you prepare a patient for surgery by ensuring everything is safe, correct and ready for the procedure. In this station, you are tested on patient safety, identity check, documentation, concern, and preparation for surgery. First, you must perform hand hygiene and introduce yourself. Once you finish these things, then you must always confirm the patient's identity by checking full name, date of birth, identification badge. This is the critical safety step. You must check if the patient has any allergy to medication, food, or latex. If allergies are present, they must be clearly documented and communicated. You must confirm whether the patient has been fasting. This is important to reduce the risk of complication during anesthesia. You must ensure the concern form is completed. It is signed correctly. The patient understands the procedure. If anything is missing or unclear, you must escalate immediately. And then you all know you have to check dentition and jewelry such as dentures, loose teeth, caps or crowns, rings, necklace or piercing. These must be removed for safety reasons. Then make sure the patient has no nail polish, artificial nails, heavy makeup. This can interfere with monitoring equipments. Then needed to calculate body mass index using height and weight. And also need to check prosthetics and implants, which is hearing aids, artificial limbs, pacemakers and implants. These all must be documented and managed safely. Important safety points: if you notice anything abnormal, such as missing concern or allergies not documented or patient not fasting, you must escalate immediately to the senior staff or doctor. So that is the complete explanation of the OSCE pre-operative check station for 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more OSCE preparation videos. Good luck with your exam. Thank you.